I created this video a couple of months ago. I shared these 3 alternatives to generate talking aviators, but none of them was perfect. After cooking for 8 months,
I found the treasure!
Also, you can use it completely free through my trick, and will also remove the watermark. Open any browser and search for Wondershare Virbo. Open that website. You can download its app that is available on Windows, iOS, and Android. But I am using it online. You need to create a new account, for I am using temp mail. Open any temp mail and copy-paste the email. Put in any random password, and hit Create Account. The new account is created. It has extra features like video translation, voice cloning, and text-to-speech, but we need talking photo. Virbo had provided a lot of characters, but I am uploading my own. Here put the script. You can also upload the audio, AI script that is Virbo chatbot. Well, that's not good enough. Let's choose a voiceover, and select a language. It also has Hindi language. Select a gender, and scene, and select a voice. You can also select subtitle, and background music. It has a lot of background music. You can also remove the background of your character. Finally hit Create Video. Here's the small download button.
Virbo transforms text into captive.
Everything is okay, but left a watermark. To remove the watermark, open any video editor, and import the video file. Then import the original image, add it as a layer. Select the image and click on Mask, then Rectangle and select the watermark area. The watermark is removed.